So what are different gods and goddesses transmission, and what is our upcoming transmission bringing your way? The upcoming transmission is Kuber transmission. However, before understanding that, let us understand what are transmissions. Transmissions are the channeling of healing energies, empowerment energies, and expansion of certain energies inside of you. So when you take any transmission with me, the first transmission that is given to you through live call or a pre-recorded video call is where certain kind of energies are filled in your mind, body and spirit. These are healing energies and they are supposed to be doing something for you. So the purpose of the transmission is given along with the detail. So this Kuber transmission, for an example, that is directed towards you to help you build an aura that attracts more money, that attracts more client, that attracts more good fortune in your life, and a lot of money healing coming your way. So once you take this transmission on live call or pre-recorded video version, for another 21 days you need to go on watching the repeat of the recording. Now this is going to build that energy further and give you multiple benefits in its own sweet way. The transmission energies work differently for different people. For some people it brings in more joy, more happiness along with more monies. With some other people it brings in relationship harmony, and the energies are very, very smart. So depending on what is required for you in this moment of your life, these are going to building that up for you. To know more about the transmissions coming up and to stay connected, go ahead and read the description given along with this video. Thank you.